Hello everyone, my name is Dion Durr from Pinky's Iron Doors. We're here to showcase our Golden Gate single full arch door behind me today. All right, so we're on this Golden Gate full arch door today. Classic door. We've had this door for a while. It goes with customers that are, it's got a lot of things going for it. So it's got scroll work going for it. It's got some straight bars going for it. It's got some knuckles because they look like little knuckles. And it's got a kick plate with the design. So it's couple different elements of customers that we're hitting on the same thing on this. Some customers like the kick plate, some don't, all preference. Again, custom orders, we can always eliminate this bottom kick plate. If you don't like it, you want a full piece of glass, or a lot of people like it. So this is how we make the door, and we stock the door like this. We have this door in different shapes and a single and double if needed. Again, on custom orders, we can always add side lights, all those different variances that you want to make on these doors. These are solid metal pickets, which means they're not hollow. They're all welded and heated and bent to create this artisan shape that we call Golden Gate. This is an Aquatex glass. This is, you get the most amount of privacy, well, second most amount of privacy next to so it's frost, then Aquatex, and then it trickles down from there. This is oil rub bronze color. Different color types are available on special order or custom order. Different glass types are also available on special order or custom order. And sometimes, we do have different glass types stocked also. Pretty simple door. Remember, all of our doors have a little slope on the bottom of this, so water doesn't sit here, because it's a flat surface, so you don't want water sit there, or it can seep in. Water can seep in on heavy rain if it's coming down sideways. One-piece frame with a threshold. We can also eliminate the threshold if needed for interior use, for like wine cellars, bedroom doors, dungeon doors. Any of those things above, or even commercial doors if you want to use this in a commercial application. But pretty simple, awesome door, classic. It goes well with a lot of different things. But let me flip this around and show you guys what the other side looks like. And also notice how this kick plate has a design. We actually duplicate the design on the interior side also. Okay, so we're on the back side of the Golden Gate single arch. Let me show you guys how the glass opens. Twist the knobs, flick them over. Again, all of our doors have dual pane 5/8 thick tempered glass, unless specified otherwise. We can also do single glass, triple glaze. We can do, what else can we do? We can do impact glass. We can do all kinds of different kinds of glass if needed. On custom orders, not on the stock stuff. So glass opens up. This makes it easy for you to clean the glass, clean the scroll work. Also on custom orders or special orders, you can add a screen if you like to use, if you want to use a door to vent the house. And all of our doors feature 2 pieces of rubber on the windows. So we have one on the glass. We have another one on the actual door itself. Super important. Reason why it's super important, because it's metal. When you start welding on metal, like putting these little tabs or creating these arches, metal warps. Yes, we can bend it back to make it straight, you're still gonna have a little bit of warpage from grinders and stuff like that. So you always wanna make sure you have a double seal to seal on those little tiny imperfections that happen when you're creating a metal door, because these things are all handmade and not machine made. So big difference, okay guys? That's pretty much it. That's the kick plate on the bottom. Greasable hinges, very important. Over time, you will need to grease your hinges up. They do have a little copper crush washer inside, and that's there to take on the friction between the two metal hinges. People assume ball bearing hinges are better, but they're not. Reason why is these are metal, and when you have a metal hinge and you stick a stainless steel ball bearing in the middle of it, a stainless steel metal is stronger than a steel metal, and therefore it'll actually eat away at the hinge instead of eating away at the actual ball. So that's why copper crush washers, copper is a softer metal that can eat away instead of your hinges. Over time, you can just change out the washers. You can get them at Home Depot, you can get them at any number of places. You can call us, we'll send you some new washers if you need them. But that's like 20 years down the line that you're gonna need washers if you keep them greased. That's pretty much it. Hope taught you guys a couple things. Everyone, I hope you guys enjoyed the showcase today. If you guys have any questions, contact us at info@pinkysirondoors.com. That's info@PINKYSIRON doors.com. Or you can call us at 844-843-6677. We'll get any questions you may have answered. Or you can also drop a little comment below and we'll get to that also. Thank you guys.